day, and yeah, we got this houseboat for a day
In Kerala?
in Kerala, the southern state of India. So
It's beautiful.
it's beautiful here.
Palm trees, lush greenery.
Perfect 75 degrees, you know. And
ചേട്ടാ അവർക്ക് മധുരം വേണ്ടെന്നാ
like
പറഞ്ഞത്.
77,
മധുരം വേണ്ടെന്ന്.
it feels like
മധുരം
85
വേണ്ടെന്ന്.
because of the humidity.
Sugar nahi hai.
So I'm gonna show you a little bit of our houseboat, and yeah.
ഷുഗറേ ഷുഗറിന്
Yeah. So from here, I'll gonna show you our houseboat. So we step down here. This is Shaji here, our private chef. He will be cooking fish and chicken and other dishes, whatever we want. This is our lunch. We just had our lunch.
Kerala traditional.
Yeah. So, and from here we're gonna go down to our bedroom. So this is our bedroom here, and our bathroom. So that's a shower and all that. And coming along, going down, it's a wash sink and another bedroom. Just in case Purvi and I had a fight, at least we have bed for each other. Yeah, it's the same thing. And it's just heaven. So beautiful. Look at outside. It's just crazy. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Bye bye.